Sit comfortably in a quiet, safe place. Balance a tall, upright posture with a sense of relaxation. Let your shoulders release and your belly soften. Breathe quietly in and out through your nose, and let yourself quietly rejoice in the fact that you are here. Seated, present, you've begun this sacred process of watching your breath. Rejoice in the fact that of all the things you could be doing, you have chosen to prioritize this moment of quiet, this moment of stillness, this moment of peace. Overcoming laziness is the first stage of meditation. Recognize the strength of your resolve to stay the path of mindfulness, to practice daily, and then set an intention to remain present with breath. Watch the breath as it moves in and out through your nose. Feel the breath as it moves down past your shoulders into your chest. Feel how the movement of the body is intricately tied to the breath, and remain present here, present with breath. Of course, the mind will wander. As soon as you notice the mind has wandered, remember the instructions. Remember your intention to remain present with breath, again and again, as many times as you need to. Notice the wandering mind and come back to the breath. Remember the instructions is the second stage of meditation. And in your noticing, notice the quality of your attention. If the mind has become dull or heavy or sleepy, apply the antidote. Sit up taller, lift the gaze, and focus on the breath in. But stay balanced, aware. Continuously refine the quality of your attention. And if you notice the mind has become restless, impatient, or anxious, apply the antidote. Lower your gaze. Spend a little longer with each breath out. Tighten your attention to the breath. Stay balanced, continuously aware of the quality of your attention. Applying the antidote is the third stage of meditation. Again and again and again, as many times as you need to, come back to the breath. Come back to the breath with a balanced quality of attention. Not too tight, not too loose, just right. Aware of the breath and aware, too, of awareness, correcting as needed. Aware of the breath and aware, too. Sometime, no correction is needed. Be willing to let go of correcting when things feel just right. Not too tight, not too loose. Aware of the breath. Aware that it's okay to stop adjusting when the practice feels just right. Resting in practiced ease is the fourth stage of meditation. Stay with the breath. Stay with this ease. Enjoy the results of your effort. And so it is.